So Mooch, what do you got going over here? I've never seen anything quite like this. Do you have plans for this?
Feel how cold it is in here.
Do you have any plans that you could share? I mean, we could do a little.
No, you finished it off with that table.
So you
It's
just
all stacked on this shit.
So you just cut a hole in the tent with the stand, set the air conditioning on there,
Yep.
and then duct tape her on up.
Yep. Just like cutting a hole in a window.
What kind of temperatures do you think you got inside there?
64.
64?
That's what the machine says. It's got to come on there.
That's pretty awesome.
Well, probably up now. I've been fucking with it.
I'm probably going to put this on YouTube, you know.
It works. Works real well. Of course, that tarp keeps it alive. You got a longer tarp.
Tarp keeps air from getting, keeps like an insulating tarp.
Yeah. Too much of it gets out of it. Not really. That and I forgot the dew cover on the thing.
Oh, yeah.
So it had all these screens.
So we're just closing those holes up so the air doesn't escape.
Yeah, this don't want to cover up.
And closing the window so people can't see in. That's always helpful.
Well, good. So you don't mind if I post this on YouTube, do you?
Here you go, baby. I was going to do that. I go, hey, I'll post it on YouTube. He's like, what's YouTube? I'm like, oh, YouTube is the world.